Hey there, everyone. So a fun activity that you can do to help your new reader is a little matching game. So even if they're not fully reading yet themselves, they can match some words. So in this book, this is a letter R book. So he's going to read about things that start with the letter R. The title of our book is called I Read. So this takes some prep work for whoever is working with the child to read the book first yourself and then print these little sentences. And we attached ours, to cardstock or construction paper. And then we have a laminator at school. You do not have to have a laminator for this to work, but it does make them a little more durable. You can use clear contact paper if you don't have a laminator. Okay, so on this page, I've already made all of my pieces. So depending on the level of your reader, you can read this, I read about robots. So you can give your child, depending on their level, I read, and then you can give them maybe two choices. So which one of these two words looks and matches up with this one? And you can see if they pick this one first, you say, oh, nope, try again. This one has a T and a B in the middle. This one has a C and a K. So let's see, let's match it up. There's our B and our T, R-O-B-O-T-S, R-O-B-O-T-S, they match. So this one is I read about robots. They can put it under or they can put it on top, totally up to you and your child's level. Then we go to the next page. I read about rocks. So again, you can slide it over and move those over underneath. Okay, lots of different ways that you can differentiate this to make it match up to your child. So you'll be like, I read about and you put the O and A together for those kids that are ready for that. Roads. Are we going to keep this one? No. So we come over here. Oh, this one matches. So now we're going to see I read roads. Uh-oh, those don't match up. We have another one with the word about in the middle. So you can see that this one was a little bit easier. This one is a little bit harder, so that depends on your child's level. If you need the whole sentence stuck together, you can do that too and not cut it up into pieces. So we have, I read about rivers. Well, we don't want this one. So we've got that word over here, rivers. I read rivers. Nope, that doesn't match up. So again, we gotta borrow this word about. Okay, so then we've got I read about rockets. Okay, so you could even show them the two again. Which one? There we go. I read about rockets. I read about rabbits. So we got to switch this one out and put that one in. And then this one is just I read. So we could use this one, but we're trying to teach also about a period at the end of a story. So this one has the period there. So just a little way to get, some interaction with the book, not just reading it. Like I said, this one does take some prep work to print and glue and get those ready, but it is worth it and it makes this much more interactive and much more fun for your new little reader. So thanks for reading I Read with me. Have a great day. Bye.